Animals, mammals. Gorillas. Gorillas are the largest living primates. They live in the forests of Central Africa and like to stay in groups. Gorillas' natural habitats cover tropical or subtropical forests in Africa. Gorillas are very similar to humans in many ways, but with longer and more muscular arms. There are 3 types of gorillas: Western lowland, Eastern lowland, and mountain gorillas. Gorillas' diets mostly consist of plants such as leaves, shoots, fruits, and bark. They also sometimes eat insects and worms. Gorillas are known to use tools in the wild, such as sticks, tree stumps, and rocks as their aids.